Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I have done quite a bit of work on my two snowman journals tonight, and I wanted to show you my progress and then do a little craft with me. So I have collected a whole bunch of papers and put my signatures together. I haven't sewn anything in yet because I still have to put the fabric in the back or in the inside of my covers. But yeah, I finally have the signatures, and each one has 9 papers that are folded. So 36 pages per signature. And same over here. And I've also sewn in some tabs. There's one, and then there's one with a snowflake. And I have also finished my tags and pockets. So this will be a pocket. I stitched around it. This will be a pocket. I didn't stitch around this one because I had already put the snowman on top of it and I didn't want to stitch over him. And then I did this journaling card. This paper actually says date here, which is good. So in case you want to put the date on there when you journal. And then I have these two, which will go into my clear Polaroid pockets. One goes this way and the other one will go this way. Oops, got stuff stuck on my sleeve. They all have paper on the back. This is my favorite. I love the snowman and the colors on this. And then I also did, this is just a regular journaling card stitched around it. And these two are tags. And I actually sewed seam binding onto a lace ribbon. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm way out of the frame. And I used the snowflake stitch. So I thought these look interesting. So that's what I did. And then now I'm working on 2 more pockets. And I have this paper that's just like stars. And I cut it to the right size, and I am going to glue lace on top of it. And then I'm going to use this as a pocket. Not sure if I'm going to do it this way. No, I think I'm going to do it this way. Okay, so let's see if I can open my glue and how I am going to glue this. I'm going to put some paper under it because I don't want my craft mat is already full of glue and stuff, but I don't want to make it even worse. Okay, what side am I gonna do? I was thinking about sewing it on there, but I want it to be more attached than in one spot if I sew it on the top. So I'm gonna try to put glue under all these little flowers and on the border here. So wish me luck. All right. I hope that tomorrow so I can sew in my signatures, because once I've sewn them in, I can do more decorating. I might sew in some pockets, I'm not sure yet, or just sew around them and then glue them in. I've been going through one of my previous journals that I made earlier in the year to get some ideas, and I can actually show you. I've done a flip through a long time ago, but some of you might not have seen that. And because like I had ideas way back when and then I forgot about them, so it's always good to look through your old stuff if you want to get new ideas or like old ideas that you forgot about. Stuck on this. So yeah, it's a little difficult to glue lace. If you don't want the glue to show through, you gotta go on all these let's see, flowers and borders. Okay, I hope this works. Wish me luck. Ugh, that's all on my hand. Oh no. Okay. I feel like the lighting in here is weird today. I don't know what's different. Is my light not bright? Yeah, it is. Okay. So that's number one. I'll let this dry, and now I'm gonna glue the other one on there. Little bubble here. All right. Add glue strings. I'm surprised I'm not stuck to my table yet, because I always have glue all over me, or my hands and sleeves and stuff. Alrighty. A few days ago I ordered some fabric on Etsy, and I was surprised how fast it was supposed to arrive here. The mail, like the USPS tracking, said it was delivered at my mailbox today at 2:57 p.m. and I checked the mailbox twice and I didn't get anything. So they either lied, the tracking, or they delivered it to the neighbor, which I hope they will bring it over because I want my stuff. And I was actually, when I saw the tracking mail or the notification that I got my fabric was delivered, I got all excited because I wanted to use it tonight. But nope, not in my mailbox. So yeah, I'm not sure about what's going on. I've had this happen before where they, the tracking said they delivered it. They couldn't, no, it said they couldn't find a safe spot to deliver it, which is dumb because they always put it either in front of my door or in my mailbox. Turns out the mail person didn't deliver it, and that's just what they put into the what they put in as the reason why they didn't deliver it. I think they forgot it in their car or something. And then when they got back to the post office, they had to put something in. I'm like, then at least put in something that makes sense and it's not a lie. Because, yeah. So next time I went to the post office, it was already out on delivery again. And I really needed that. I can't remember what it was, but I really needed it that day. And I was chasing it all over like the place, but they finally delivered it that day. So maybe they will deliver it for real on next business day. Okay, that's not bad. Or I hope the neighbors will bring it over. All right, so now I gotta cut this. Cut this off. Yeah, and rather than ordering from like big online stores, I try to find what I'm looking for on Etsy these days, because a lot of them are just little small business owners. And now that I have my own Etsy shop, I want to support other Etsy shop owners. So if you guys have an Etsy shop, you can leave a link in my comments and I'll check it out. Maybe you have something I really want. Okay, so those can go into my signatures. Let's see. I can actually show you what I've done. So I decided that I'm gonna do the 2 gift wraps as the covers of the signatures. That's why I didn't sew my tabs onto the first ones in my other journal that I want to show you for my ideas. I put a tab on each cover of each signature. However, this is so fragile and thin, I don't want it, like, if you use it, like use a tab to open it, I don't want it to tear. So I just put it in a random spot. So I just have different colored papers in here. Little photo album thing. Let's see where I'm gonna put this pocket. Okay, I think I might wait until I actually have sewn in my signatures. Oh yeah, this is the side pocket I did. So you can actually stick something in here. And then, let's see. Let me put these away. Okay, so this is the journal that I made a long time ago. And it has 3 signatures. And it didn't take me too long to make this. I don't even know how I did it, because this is, now that I look at it, it was a lot of work. So, but there were like days when I would just do nothing else but make these. Obviously while my kid was at daycare and I maybe had the day off or so. Yeah, so here I did a tab on each signature cover, which I liked. And then what else did I do that I liked? Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna make shaker pockets too with sequins. What else? I also liked these kind of corner pockets for tags, so you can see more of the tag and not just cover the whole thing. Okay. What else? Some fabric. But I don't really have any winter fabric except for that snowman fabric that I'm going to use on the middle. That's not too bad. Oh, this was a little booklet that I made. Forgot about that. And then I made an envelope and put some tickets in there. And you can just plop it over the page and then secure it with a paper clip. This one is just a flip out. There's another one of those I liked. Oh yeah, I love this one. So this has different layers and textures. So it has a scrapbook paper, it has some cardstock, it has burlap, a book page, it has some glass from a glassine bag, some paper, it has lace, and then some birds from a bird field guide. So I really love those kind of pockets. Let's see. And then I have side tags. I like those. Okay, that was it. So yeah, got a few little ideas, and I also like that each signature has a lace ribbon. Just makes it a little prettier. So yeah, that was like the 3rd journal I've ever made. I had some interest. Someone contacted me to ask if I would sell it. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll sell it. I didn't make it to sell because when I first started making junk journals, I never thought I would, I never considered selling them. So this one I just like because it has all the, I used a whole bunch of pages or images from 50s kids books. So, and that lady that wanted to buy it, she said that just reminds her of her childhood, so she liked it a lot. We will see. I cannot let it go yet. I love it. Oh yeah, and I did the paper, it's like paper piecing or paper quilting, that's what I call it. And there's also I think I have some videos on when I worked on this. I can link those. Anyway, that's what I've done so far. I also found these. These are Christmas, but these are all wooden snowflakes. I might stick those in my journal as well. Like looking through all my craft stuff, my stash, to find any winter snow related stuff, because I don't have as much as I thought I did. So maybe I will find some more. We will see. I have a whole bunch of scrapbook stuff, but the style is not the style that I want to use in my journal, or journals. So I have to be creative. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!